There comes a moment in every person's life when they realize something powerful. People don't respond to the words you speak. They respond to the presence you carry. You've walked into rooms where you felt unseen. You've shared ideas that deserved attention, yet they fell flat. Not because you lacked value, but because your presence wasn't aligned with your message. That's not a flaw. That's an invitation. Presence is not an accident. It's a decision, a discipline, a quiet force that shapes how the world receives you. I remember a time when I spoke with confidence, yet nothing landed. Until someone looked at me and said, "You speak like a man with vision, but you stand like a man who doubts himself." That truth shook me, but it awakened me, because I realized something essential. Your body is always speaking. And sometimes, it speaks louder than your voice. When you align your posture with your intention, your message gains weight. Not because you changed who you are, but because you finally allowed who you are to be seen. Think of someone you admire, a leader, a teacher, a creator. Before they utter a single word, you feel their presence. You feel their certainty. You feel their groundedness. That is not charisma. That is coherence. Stand tall, not rigid, aligned. Open your chest. Let your breath deepen. Let your hands be visible. Let your energy expand. Because when your body opens, your mind opens. When your stance strengthens, your confidence strengthens. When your presence settles, your message lands. People may forget your exact words, but they will never forget how your presence made them feel. And when your presence speaks first, your voice doesn't have to shout. It simply resonates. This is the quiet power that transforms influence. This is the inner alignment that turns communication into impact. This is the moment your message finally finds its home in the hearts of others. The story continues. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong.